Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on REALME 14. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services, and now you have to find parental controls. And then click on let's do this. Now click sign in and select Google. You have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your child password. And click I agree. And now click accept. And then click on supervise. And click next. And now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. And now scroll down and click next. Then click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.